Assalamu alaikum everyone, we are FinScott Consultants and we are back with another lecture of Learn Excel. In today's lecture, we're gonna discuss the illustrations in insert bar. It's a rather functional part of an Excel. In this, you have different things, pictures, shapes, icons, 3D models, screenshots, and SmartArt, which can be used to, you know, uh, give something a role, make something unique, illustrate something, or make something picturesque. I'm gonna start with this picture. Let me click this, and you can insert picture from device and online pictures. If I click this device, we can select any of the picture wherever in the device. For example, I select this picture, and here's the picture here. And now I'll just shorten it. You can up and down the picture size from here. You can rotate it from here. Alright, using this. Alright, see, now you can give picture the formats as much as you like. For example, like this, you can reset the picture, you can change the picture, you can compress the picture, which I have already shown you the best way to compress the picture. Now you can compress it to send it to email, web, and printing. You can add artistic effects to it, for example like this. You can add color to it like this. You can add correction to it. Let me reset the picture again. You can add correction to it by the default correction settings given by the Excel. You can remove the background. You see the background is removed. You can mark the areas to keep. You can keep these areas. See, you can mark areas to remove. You see, you can discard all changes. Now you can add the border color to the picture. You see, reddish border. You can add picture effect, which I've shown below. These are the picture styles and effects. And you can add picture layout. You see, now you can add all text. You can add text to it. Spider Man. Okay, now you can either selection, align, rotate, and crop the picture. I hope you know about them. This is to adjust the height. So this is basically how the pictures work in Excel in insert bar. Now I'll go to another option, which is shapes. You can add any shape you want to. For example, let me add this shape. Once you've selected, you can just hold on the mouse icon and upsize and downsize the shape. Now you can change its color. You can change the shape outline. Sorry, this is shape fill. Shape outline like this. You can change the shape effect just like in picture. You see there's so many effects. You can edit shape, text box, and rest of the options, right? It's almost similar to the picture. Now delete it. I will show you another option, which is icons. If you click it, it will give you multiple icons which you can use for any purpose. For example, let me select this icon. One minute. You can add. Okay, let me just add this one. I've added this icon. Now, for example, I want to add telephone number to anything. So you can add telephone number 92 and whatever number yours is. All right, so this is how you can use the icons. The icons can be used for anything you can want. They have various options. I mean, they're all shown here. These are the sub options. For example, you want to show the animals or birds. For example, you want to discuss the clothes or apparel. You want to show signals or signs. You can show the art. You can show body parts, bugs, buildings, business, celebration, commerce, faces, anything you want to. So icons is a very useful thing to make your work very presentable. Now there's another thing here, 3D model. If you click it, it will give you 3D models of just like icons. For example, you want to add for example, let me pick the simple ones. For example, you want to add cats and dogs 3D model. You can add this dog 3D model. It will take some time, but you see, this is a 3D model of the dog. You can rotate it upside and downside it. You see, it's a very useful option. You see, there's so many 3D models. You can also download them online. They will give you the options. And I'll move on with the SmartArt. It's very important for business purposes or school assignments or anything. It has so many SmartArts. If you want us to know about anyone, you can tell us in comments. Let me show you with the very simple one, a cycle, which is very common use. For example, you add this cycle. You can add any color to it. For example, I add this color to it to make it a little bright. I can add this effect to it, and let me change the less brighter one, this one. Now you can add anything. For example, I want to add here planning, development, maturity, decline, and recycle. So you can make any cycle to your own demand. You can add any shape, you can add any SmartArt to your need. There's so many SmartArts, there's so many options. If you tell us which one you need to know, what type of business do you operate, we can help you with that. And the last option in illustration is screenshot. It's a very simple one. Just click it, click screen clipping. You can whatever window is open, you can select the portion and the screenshot will be taken. See, it's as simple as that. So this is our today's lecture. We discussed in Z bar the illustration options. I hope you like our lecture. If you like our lecture, kindly like, subscribe and share our page. Thank you so much.